Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best garden stool in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Outdoor lovers that don't get the time to head to their local park would be smart to invest in this superb option in a kneeler cum garden seat. And if garden seats that are just like a garden bench is something you're after, you couldn't have found a better choice than Tomcare Garden Stool. It doesn't matter if you can't get down to James Brown anymore, or if pulling out weeds with weeding tools is gradually pulling your back out, using this fella with a strong frame and convenient handles will have you back in the swing of things in no time. The amount of time you choose to spend in the garden will often come down to the comfort of the garden furniture you have. Make no mistake about it, this superb garden stool is so nice to sit on, you'll need to be big to get off it. You may also be interested in some of these top outdoor cushions, so check them out. This is such a neat idea, and your kids will love it just as much as you will. It's the perfect way to get all the family interested in maintaining the garden. This innovatively designed weeding bench and seat is set on 4 smooth glide wheels, so it can be transported effortlessly around your garden. It's lightweight yet durably constructed from high-quality plastic materials and is sat upon a solid stainless steel structure that has been built to withstand a multitude of weather conditions and environmental factors. The rolling scooter design features 3-inch diameter wheels that can roll forwards and backwards over most terrain, making getting around your garden and lawn a breeze. It's ideal for alleviating back pain caused from prolonged periods of bending over and is suitable not just for gardening, but for all kinds of household chores, including cleaning and carrying out essential repairs around the home. There's even a strategically placed shelf on the undercarriage, absolutely ideal for storing gardening gloves, shears, a spade and shovel, or perhaps a cup of tea and a book for when you take a well-earned break from pruning the bushes. With a maximum weight threshold of 200 pounds, this fun garden scooter and seat from Pure Garden is built to withstand long-term use in harsh weather. Simplicity often trumps complexity when it comes to gardening products. Let's face it, if you're looking at this product, you want something that will make gardening more comfortable. The Red Home Club thick kneeling pad will do just that. You can either kneel on it or sit on it. There isn't anything more to the design, which means there's nothing that can go wrong. Made from 1/2 inch thick high-density foam, it has enough flexibility to be super comfortable, but it won't change shape over the years. Cheaper kneeling pads can end up with annoying knee imprints after years of use. It's also durable enough to not be damaged by stones, sharp sticks, and anything else that might be on the ground. Plus, it's easy to clean because it doesn't absorb water. The Red Home Club thick kneeling pad is lightweight, portable, and available in 3 colors. And, if you're not completely convinced by the quality, it's protected by a 1-year warranty. The company will refund or replace your kneeling pad if you're unhappy with it in any way. We have another hanging planter product from a leading manufacturer in the decor industry, Mkono. It is the Mkono ceramic hanging planter, a packaged set of 3 hanging plants, manufactured with white ceramic to fit into any home decor with ease. These wall-hanging planters are high for your display of herbs, succulents, cacti, and other small flowers you love. It enables you to include some vertical greenery into your home, an inclusion that can be done either indoors or outdoors. Besides the use of white ceramic, the Mkono ceramic planter features the use of brass screws and a leather strap, which gives it a more modern feel and a more giant aesthetic for your home. This planter isn't created with a drainage hole, thus, users are advised to make use of charcoal or rocks at the base to give excess water an exit route, which ultimately helps save your plants from dying. The best multi-purpose planter for various decor scenes is this beauty from Mkono. You'll have no regrets with this planter in your home. Our guide to the best indoor herb garden kits features more useful products for plant lovers. Active people that need to be getting on with one chore or another are bound to love this very well-designed option in the best garden stools. Indeed, whatever you decide to do around the house or garden, you can be sure to complete the task with great comfort with the garden kneeler from Songmix. If you're unsure about buying the Songmix garden kneeler seat with upgraded tool pouch, which is sitting in 3rd place in our list, it would be worthwhile considering its variety of attributes. Not only can gardeners or DE fans with mobility issues get up from the floor much easier with this product, but also enjoy a well-earned rest on the cushioned seating. In fact, the seat is so comfortable that even the most determined gardeners may be persuaded to extend their 5-minute break. For more great products for gardeners, check out our guide to the best bulb planters.